literally, as I was shampooing my hair, I would have clumps of hair that I would really like try to put it back together and go, no, you need to stay. You cannot leave. And I was desperate. My name is Perry Holloway. I was introduced to Neogenesis because I am in the beauty industry. So I can't imagine anybody who's trying to find some great success with their hair loss, how they're doing it just through the internet, because you just don't know what's going on through the internet. I was fortunate to find Neogenesis. Unfortunately, I had been through thousands of dollars worth of product on the market that made lots of promises, lots of foams and lots of serums that left your scalp totally itchy and irritated. And I was dealing with it because I didn't know any other way. My story is probably like many other people. I, in the beginning, knew as I was starting to lose my hair that I was going to have a problem because I come from a long line of very thin-haired women. So I already knew I needed to pay very close attention to when it was starting. And it started during perimenopause in my late 40s, early 50s, when things were starting to happen. Here's how the prep actually goes. So all the way from the beginning to about 9 months, I was doing it on a daily basis, about 3 drops in areas that didn't need it as much, 6 drops that needed more. I did not wash my hair every day, and I didn't really need to. And this actually soaks right in. So you just got to make sure you're not getting it into the hairline, you're getting it onto the scalp. That was the only difference. You can color your hair. You can do anything you want to your hair. You can style your hair, and it does not affect the product or the way the product works on the scalp. By the 9.5, 10-month range is when I started with the actual roller to roll in the areas that were necessary, and then I would apply the serum. Therefore, it was again 3 to 6 drops. And make sure that it's not on the hair itself. Make sure you get to the scalp. Eventually, you'll get to a point where there's more hair than scalp. It is liquid. It is not oil-based. So it will not leave your hair feeling grungy, and you will not look slick. Emotional. Of course it's emotional. Women are looked at completely different compared to men. Men get away with it a lot faster. That doesn't mean they like it any better. They get away with it a lot faster than a woman can. Now, for those that are out there that are listening, you've got to go for what works best for you. But know this, never give up. Don't ever even think about giving up, because it's about you now.